Well, good morning everyone. Welcome to today's show of Tony's Daily Bread. Today we're going to be making banh mi, which is a Vietnamese baguette. The ingredients for that are as follows. We have all-purpose white flour, we've got wholemeal flour, we've got brown sugar, we've got salt, we've got milk, and I'm using oat milk, and we've got water. And we've also got dried yeast. Now with the flour we're adding the salt and the brown sugar. Now we add in the oat milk and water with the yeast. Now I'm using oat milk today as we have a vegan in our family. And we add that into the flour. Bring it all together. And then give it a really good knead. Around about 4 to 5 minutes. Until it comes together really nicely. And then we're going to prove it. Now this gets proved 3 times in the airing cupboard. Stage 1. And then we bring it out, we knock it back. And then it goes into the airing cupboard again for stage 2. Same process again. Bring it out, knock it back. And then we're going for a 3rd time, for a final stage. This is to give it more of a lighter texture, a more aerated texture. Then after 3 times, we bring it out. We cut it down into 4 pieces. Now I'm not using the scales here, so they're not all exactly the same size, but for the family, that's absolutely fine. If I was putting these in a restaurant environment, then I would have them all exactly weighed out to exactly the same size. But then what we do is we just gently push them out like that, and then roll them up. Roll them up, and then just gently on the ends. So we're looking for that classic baguette shape. So we slit them with a knife, and then into the airing cupboard for 35 to 40 minutes until they double in size. Spray with water, and we've also got a bain-marie of water in the oven. We then cook it in an oven on 225 degrees for around about 18 to 20 minutes. So here we have it, Vietnamese banh mi. Crispy, crunchy, and smells absolutely delicious. We look forward to seeing you next time, folks.